What's up, peeps? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video we're gonna go over the process of how to install stucco onto your wall. Now, in our previous video we did our installation of our foam and all the preparation to get where we are today. That being said, now we reach to the stage where we need to apply a coat of primer. Usually when we're doing stucco, we normally go with the same color as the stucco to prime the wall before we apply our stucco. So right now we're just going over our wall with a coat of primer, and this is the same color that we're going to use for the stucco. It's pretty straightforward. You just want to get a roller and just roll it over. In some case you might need to apply 2 coats of primer over your wall. After we finish the primer, we're gonna jump on to our step 2. Okay, so we finish our priming. Now we're gonna mix around our stucco. We just add a little bit of water into our stucco before we start our application. Alright, so we finish our mixing. Now we're gonna apply the stucco onto our wall. A key point that I want to point out to you when applying stucco, you want to make sure that you don't dry on too thick. You want to draw on a thin layer of stucco onto your wall. Now we're using a metal trowel to apply the stucco onto the wall, and we're using a fiberglass trowel to finish it. As we go in the video, I will be explaining to you the pattern and the motion you need to move on in order to form the pattern in the stucco. Now, when using the fiberglass float, you can't put too much pressure onto the float when you float in the wall for the stucco. Another thing I wanna point out, if the temperature is too cold, you won't be able to finish the stucco, because the stucco have to be hard to a certain extent before you can finish it. Now you can dry it on, but if it's too cold, you have to wait until it hardens a little bit, so that way the grain that in the stucco can release. As you see, Henry is slowly going over after we apply the stucco onto the wall, and we're not trying to put too many pressure. And you want to dry it on a level, so you don't want to have no uneven lumps while dry it on. You want to make sure that you're drying it on evenly, just like how you draw on porridging. As you see here, once we draw on over, we remove the excess stucco from the wall to make sure that we have an even coat right through as we go. But as you go in the video, we'll be explaining to you guys a few tips and tricks as we go in the video. Keep watching. So to finish it, just like you see, Hammer is slightly going on a motion with his fiberglass trowel. You don't want to put too many pressure, like I mentioned earlier. Yeah, if you get value from this video so far, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. If you like this type of content, go in the comment and let me know. Just said Ryan more content like this, and we'll be sure to give you a whole bunch of stucco, because like I said, you know, we're working as a team, so we're having a lot of stucco job that we're doing at times. So I can easily just, you know, bring you guys more stucco if you're interested in seeing contents like these.
I don't have to teach you this job, you know?
Allez.
Beni acele soktuğu zaman ben bir iş yapamıyorum.
Ben ne yapayım? Vurmayayım mı?
Vurup gidiyorsun hemen. Vuruyor ondan sonra.
Sanki bunlar çok iyi. Aman Allah'ım kardeş. Adam video çekiyor.
It's a really nice color, and it goes with everything. It can easily match with the black. It's gonna match with the brown.
Sure look nice. It's spray painted.
Yeah.
Yeah. This the box is painted.
Mm-hmm. That's something to think about.
Bunu getireyim sana.
I'm sure you will do it though, because once this is done and you look at the brick. Let him move a bit, Chuck.
want the ladder, the small ladder?
No, just take
No?
it now.
Okay. Turner too, right? So
Well, let 'em-
Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for this one now. We finish all the stucco. I just see come back in a few days and we will have the floated wall panel installation here for you. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up. Thank you for watching as always. Subscribe for more. Be safe out there. Peace out.